Hi everyone! If you're planning on typing your entry for a Young Writers competition, then I've got some top tips so you can make it the best it can be. First of all, your name. You'd be surprised how many entries we get without a name on. So put your name at the top of your document because we can't accept your entry without it. Next, your title. Make it clear that it's your title. If you're entering a competition with a word count, then we'll know not to count it in the words. Capital letters and punctuation are still needed when typing. You'll need capital letters for the start of new sentences, proper nouns, and the word I. To get a capital letter, hold down the Shift key and press the letter you need. You can also use caps lock, but remember to press it again once you're done so you don't end up with a whole sentence of capital letters. You should only use one space after a full stop. I know some places teach to use two, but we only use one. Watch out as well for extra spaces before punctuation. Most punctuation marks should be closed up to the word in front of them. There's a reason we use bunny ears to indicate a quote. That's because we use the double speech marks for any dialogue. When you've got dialogue in your story or poem, use a new line for each new speaker. For example, this would be the first line, then you'd need a new line, and finally a third line. Always use spell check. It's not perfect, so you'll still need to check the suggestions are correct, but it can be a useful tool. In Word, you'll find it under Review. In Pages for Mac, you'll find it under Edit, and in Google Docs, it's under Tools. Let us know in the comments if you use a different program and where the spell check is. Finally, save your work. In Word, go to File, Save As. In Pages for Mac, hold down the Options key on your keyboard and again go to File, Save As. Choose where to save your work and give it a name that makes it clear. The title of your piece and your name is a good idea. Google Docs saves automatically, but you still need to give your document a title. Click on Untitled Document to edit. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to typing up your poems and stories with confidence. It would be amazing if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment. Which tip did you find most useful?